The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Assessment meeting on the soil and water conservation in Northern West region. Training on the administration of police and security forces at the Kamhara Training Center. Car bomb targets busy Kafa in Somalia's capital and kills at least 9. And Pakistan reached new $7 billion loan deal with IMF. On our local news, at an assessment meeting on the progress of soil and water conservation activities in the Northern West region, it was reported that integrated efforts will be conducted for strengthening the initiative. According to the report presented, in the last 6 months, water diversion schemes across the region were extensively renovated. Approximately 4.5 kilometers of terraces were built, and over 33,650 cubic meters of water diversion schemes were constructed. The meeting highlighted the construction of dams in the subzones of Adobha, Naqfa, and Karora, which is a combined capacity of 500,000 cubic meters. These dams are crucial in addressing water scarcity affecting both humans and livestock, with 5 additional dams currently under construction. The Health Ministry Regional Branch reported noteworthy achievements in vaccination coverage and distribution of vitamin A supplements. Discussions at a meeting were robust, leading to the adoption of several strategic recommendations to further conservation efforts. Ms. Asmarat Abraha, Governor of Northern West Region, emphasized the priority of constructing dams and bolstering soil and water conservation measures. She also noted that feasibility studies for identifying locations for construction of dams and the installation of solar energy systems are in progress. A comprehensive training program on administrations was conducted for 29 staff members of the police and the security forces at the Kamhara Training Center. Major Andom Hari, head of the police education at the center, highlighted the participants came from all the regions of the country. The training encompasses both theoretical and practical aspects, covering administration concepts, public relations, reporting, and law and techniques of crime across examination. At the closing ceremony, certificates were merit awards to the presented of outstanding trainees, recognition of their achievement, and Brigadier General Adam Kokal, commander of the Police and Security Forces Training Center, and Colonel Zaraik Al-Ab, deputy commander of the center, encouraged the trainees to implement the skills and knowledge gained from the training to enhance their efficiency of their daily operations. Farmers in Logo Ansaba subzone have reported significant advancement in irrigation farming due to the construction of dams and micro-dams built to robust participation of the public and members of the defense forces. Mr. Kahsai Amdosom, administrator of Adin Amin administrative area, highlighted the extensive vegetable farming being conducted in the area. He noted that construction of dams has led to the development of underground water resources, thereby enhancing the quality and quantity of irrigation farming. Mr. Eyob Tahlamaram, managing director of Debri Adi administrative area, remarked that they began a small-scale vegetable farming has expanded considerably with construction of the dam. Currently, 115 vegetable farmers are actively engaged in the activity, benefiting from the improving water supply. Farmers expressed their previous face challenge due to the lack of the abundant water supply. However, with the construction of the dams, their farming activities have flourished and allowing them to produce vegetables year-round. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. A car bomb has exploded outside a cafe in Somalia's capital, Mogadishu, killing at least 9 and injuring several others, and as patrons were watching the final of the Euro 2024 football tournament on TV, the government said. The Al-Qaeda-linked armed group Al-Shabaab has claimed responsibility for the Sunday's deadly attack via an affiliation radio station, saying the bombing targeted a place where security and the government workers meet at night. Mohammed Yusuf, an official from the National Security Agency, told AFP News agency on Monday that 9 people have been killed in the incident, raising the official death toll to 5 given by the authorities late on Sunday. Images posted online showed a huge fireball and plumes of smoke blowing into the night sky as explosions arrived through the popular restaurant and center of the city on Sunday. Police officer Mohammed Salad had rushed to the scene a few minutes after the blast and told AFP that several bodies were discovered under the debris. On our last news, Pakistan has reached a staff-level agreement for a new $7 billion loan deal. International Monetary Fund said on Monday that the country's latest turn on the global ladder that help in propping up the economy and dealing with its debts through big bailouts. Earlier this year, the IMF approved the immediate release of the final $1.1 billion tranche for a $3 billion bail out of Pakistan. Finance Minister Mohammad Arghazab said the government planned to seek a long-term loan to help stabilize the economy after the end of the bailout package. The new loan deal will last for 37 months. It is aimed at strengthening fiscal and monetary policy, as well as reforms the burden of the tax base, improve management of the state-owned enterprises, strengthening competition, secure a level playing field for investment, enhancing human capital, and scale up social protection through increased generosity and coverage, the major welfare program, the IMF said. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Assessment meeting on soil and water conservation in Northern West Sea region. Training on administration of police and security forces at the Kamhara Training Center. Car bomb targets busy cafe in Somalia's capital, killing at least 9. Pakistan reached a new $7 billion loan deal with the IMF. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching.